Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm gonna be making avocado oil, hot press and cold press. So here's my avocado, not too ripe but just okay. So I'm just gonna cut my avocado into halves, take off the seeds and remove the butter from them. After removing the butter, I'm going to mash them until they're totally smooth. And then after mashing them to look buttery like this, I'll set them aside and get a tray and also a baking sheet. Fit the baking sheet on the tray and then spread the avocado butters lightly on the sheet. Make sure that the spread is thin to enable the butters dry out fast under the sun. And after spreading them, just take them out on the sun and keep them somewhere so that the sun can dry them. So after drying for some hours, they looked like this. So I'm just gonna get a spoon, scrape them out from the sheet and spread them again so that the other side can dry up fast. So after a few more hours, I came back and it's like this. See that all the avocados butters have dried out and what is remaining in them is just a little more fiber and the oils. So I'll just take this inside, scrape them out and get the oils ready to be extracted. So I'll take this into a clean cheesecloth or a white handkerchief if you have, and then I'm just going to squeeze out the oils from them. Now here's the cold press method, and this is 100% avocado oils. Although the oils that would come out is very small, you would have to use a lot of avocados to get good oils from this. And so after lots and lots of pressing, this was all I could get out for the cold process. Okay, so this was just all I could get out from the avocados, but then the avocados still have more oils in it, just that they are not able to be pressed out. So that's where the hot process comes in. I'll just go ahead, spread the fibers that have been dried out into another place, and then I'm going to add in some oil. Here I'm using sunflower oil. You can go ahead to use olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, or whatever oil is your choice. And then get the pan on low heat and place the dried avocado butters and the oils into the pan. Make sure that your heat is low so that it can gently extract the oils from the avocado butters that is dried. Gently the oil begins to change its color to a darker kind of green, and also the dried avocados butter begins to dry out too. So once the butters are dried out and there seems to be no more oil in them, you can take this down and sieve the oils out, and then you have your hot pressed avocado oil. If you're the kind of person that make luxury hair brands and you do not want to buy your avocado oils, or you do not trust the process, you can as well make yours by yourself. Make sure it's like 50% diluted, or so at least you get a good concentration if you can make the 100% concentrated avocado oils. Well, for you who watch this video, I don't know which one you like more, the 100% virgin avocado oils or the avocado extract oil that is not 100%. For me, I think I like the extract oil more than the virgin 100% one, because I don't know, it looks too thick. It looks like it's going to disrupt my formulation or something, but I don't know. Although it would be nice in soap bars or something, but for hair oils and body oils, I think this other one will be better. So if this video was helpful to you, do well to give me a thumb up and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.